Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to show or hide battery percentage on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. After click on battery, scroll down and you will see show battery percentage. If you want to hide battery percentage, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, battery percentage is hide. If you want to show battery percentage, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, battery percentage is show. So you will show or hide battery percentage from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can show or hide battery percentage on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.